This is a video tutorial about getting rid of the pop-ups by the website Golimitf2.click. Golimitf2.click is a really dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers. Basically, this site tries to make you pretty scared about the condition of your computer in order to eventually make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you ever see these pop-ups by Golimitf2.click, don't interact with them and just leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. You may select your preferred operating system. This software is available for all popular operating systems, by the way. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.